Okay, I've had questions about how to calculate the percentage of all housing column in H. Let's look at the instructions and see if you're comfortable with those. Okay, it's step 5, and he says on the home sheet we want to calculate, or we want to use a formula to calculate the percentage of occupied homes in each state in 2010. In column H, calculate the percentage of occupied homes in each state using the formula 2010 divided by the total for 2010. How do I do that? I go over here. Since the whole sheet is about the number of occupied homes in each state, the column G, 2010, has the values for 2010. So he specifically wants to calculate it state by state. What I do is I would go in here and I type equals. I'm starting a formula. I would click on the value for 2010. It puts a reference in for me. I hit divide. I scroll down to the bottom. I'm going to scroll over so you can see, but this value right here is the total for 2010. That's all occupied homes in all the states. So you can see total. So I click that. I hit enter. And it gives me the calculation. That's all you have to do. If you have any questions, let me know. But when you see a formula like that, you just need to look for the appropriate reference, put it in, and write the formula just as he's asked. It's not meant to be tricky or anything like that. It's that simple. I'm going to do a separate video on the rankings here shortly. Thanks, and again, if you have questions, let me know.